Hey y'all, I'm back with my first spring shopping haul. So hey y'all, thank you for continuing to watch. Before I jump in, y'all know my disclaimer. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and then turn on them post notifications so you will be notified of any time I post a video. I'm sorry y'all, every time I do a video, my nose be itching. So y'all, it is officially spring. No more boots, no more coats. And I told y'all the weather be bad in St. Louis, but baby, I put that up. I got on my little short sleeve shirt today and my spring color, so let's get it. Y'all been shopping. I went to the thrift store, Goodwill. I went to this store called Half Off Half, which is a buyout store. So anytime you shop at the store and they going out of business, they take the stuff to half off half and you save your coins and don't pay that much for the items. And then I bought some items off Fashion to Figure, which is a brand on New York and Company. Fashion to Figure is for the plus size women who thick. So I first purchased some items off of their website. So let me jump into this haul. Now y'all know I love going to the Goodwills. So I wasn't going to go in there this day because I have been good not going to the Goodwills. But when I tell y'all, I got this Victoria's Secret tote. Like, brand new, never been used, still got the creases in it. I don't know whatever day somebody was marking the prices on this. They must don't know that Vicky's Secret ain't cheap. Now, this was probably a free gift or something. But I got this for $2.99. And this is a very cute tote bag. You can use this if you want to carry your items around. It got a couple of little lint pieces on it. Excuse my dog if you hear her barking. I'm trying to do this video before I go to work and she hating. But I got this for $2.99, y'all. And I love the pink and the black, the color block pink and black. And that is so cute. It is brand spanking new for $2.99. So I didn't really buy that much stuff out of there. I also got these Nikes. Now, I took the laces out because they even had shoelaces in there. So these are some brand new Nikes. Now, whoever had them, y'all could see they didn't really wear them on the bottom. I got these for $9.99. The shoelaces was kind of busted up. I don't know if they had a problem tying the shoes too tight or what, but Nicole got them for $9.99. And then I was walking, I was like, oh, they got some gray shoestrings. So I am gonna still watch these because they was at the Goodwill and I don't know who feet was in them. But like, if y'all can see, the inside of the insole is still popping. So I got these for $10 and these are like really cute. They are size 9 and I'm gonna lace them up and I'm gonna wear them. And I like that little color, that spring color. So yes, y'all, the shoes were $9.99. And the laces were $1.99. Side note, do y'all like my nails? I'm trying to keep the pop of spring with my colors with my nails. Shout out to my nail tech Angel. If you in St. Louis, go to 2010 Nails and Salon and Spa. 2010 Nails Salon Spa. They on Lindbergh and Florissant Road. And tell Angel that you want Angel. She don't work on Wednesdays. Tell her Nicole sent you. This is gel polish and it's cute. Okay, I'm sorry y'all. I didn't mean to go there. So, the next items are coming from Fashion to Figure, a lookbook. And y'all, if you saw my first lookbook, don't judge me. We ain't had good weather that day. I wanted to do it outside, but the weather wasn't that good. So I did it in my room and I did the best I can. But these next items are from Fashion to Figure. I ordered them like maybe 2 months ago. I don't know what the package slip is, so I'm going to be giving y'all a regular price. Of course, I did not pay the price that's on the ticket, and scratch that, ain't no price on the ticket. So I can't tell y'all nothing. So these are some really cute skinny jeans. I love the color. It says bum lifter. Give your bum a lift. I tried them on, so it did lift my butt, but don't worry. Try on haul coming soon. I ain't got time to do it this morning, y'all. I got these in the 16. The brand is Hybrid and Company. And they are so cute. As you can see, the 2 pockets on the back, the 2 pockets on the front. And I got that to go with this shirt, which also came from Fashion to Figure. This is so cute. It's just such a pop of spring. Now this does have the brand Fashion to Figure in the name. They do, I guess New York & Company, they have all kind of different brands, not just their brand. But I just love this, the roses and the flowers on there. It does fold and cuff at the sleeve. Look how cute that is. That is so cute, paired up with these jeans, these jeggings. And baby, when I say these things lift your booty, they lift your booty. So then I also just got me like a the jeans are 16. The shirt is a size 1, which is kind of similar to Tori. The next thing I got was just a little basic cami that you know I could wear under clothes. This is a size 01. And it's just really cute. Now they do have the size on the cami, $10.90. I think I paid $5 for it. This is just really cute. It's like that stretchy material. And if y'all know I like to layer because I be trying to suck in the stomach. I like to layer, or I could wear this by itself for like a little cardigan or whatever. And then the last thing I got, y'all, I stepped it up. This is so cute. I thought it was really cute. I got this for $4.99. This is a seamless tube top. Now, y'all, it's really cute. So I will wear this summer with like some shorts and maybe a little cardigan. You know, if I want to go out with my girls and be cute. But this is so cute and so stretchy. So a haul will be coming with these items. I got another lookbook coming in, y'all. I'm going to try to step my lookbook game up. But that was my first lookbook. So comment below if y'all think I'm being too hard on myself. Like I said, there's so much in the clothes closet that I'm trying to get myself situated with doing these lookbooks. But y'all, thank y'all for supporting that lookbook. The next items I'm showing y'all came from Half Off Half. I love Rampage, any type of Rampage item. These are some really cute little sandals. I love the detailing on them. So the original price, and the Rampage sticker is still on there. Original price was $39. Half Off Half was selling them for $9. These are $9. I thought they are so cute. I love sandals like this. They are so cute and so comfortable. And I just love the braided thing around there. Really cute, cute, cute. So I got those for $9. And then the next, they have a lot of items from Maurice's. I don't know if when Maurice's don't sell their stuff, they give it to the store. But I got this t-shirt from Maurice's. Maurice's selling it for $20. Half Off Half is selling it for $10. It's like just a basic tee. High-low concept, really cute. I love these spring colors that I'm bringing y'all. All of these next items are from, is this? Okay, this is not Maurice's. Now this is like a little one-piece top. The brand is Nation Ltd. Basically, like if you want to just wear this like it's lounge wear, I think this would be really cute just to wear around the house. And if you go swimming this summer, you could wear it as a cover up. This particular day, gray tags were $2. So regular price was $72. So this must be a high brand, y'all. Then Half Off Half was selling for $18. And Nicole got it for $2 holla. That $2 holla. So this is like really cute if you just want to wear it, lounge around, wear it with some leggings or whatever, things like that. That hurt. They have a lot of shapewear in there, so I got me like some little shapewear. I don't want to flash my underwear or nothing up on y'all. Regular price was $40. I got it for $10. It's a 2X. This next item is from Maurice's again. I just like it's a cute little tank t-shirt. It's really cute and comfortable. Some just to wear to work if you want to hang out. Regular price $24. Dang, Maurice's t-shirts hot. $24. Then it was marked down to $6 that day. Half Off Half selling for $6. The next thing I got was like this really cute little top, and I didn't think I was gonna be able to fit it because it's one size fit all, and I'm like, oh no. But what I really liked about it, it's a little crop top. It ties right there. It's blue, of course, my favorite color, and y'all, that is so cute. I love it. This brand is Michael Stars. I don't know how much. Let's see how much Michael Stars is. He sounds expensive. How much are you, Michael Stars? Of course, regular price, retail price $72. Half Off Half was selling it for $18. And this particular day, tag items were $2. So Michael Stores, you expensive as the thing, but I'm gonna wear this with some white jeans this summer and spring. Y'all, that is so cute. The last, I got another t-shirt. I believe this is from, is this Maurice's? Another t-shirt from Maurice's. It's like the hollow concept. I love the color. It's soft, it's comfortable. This was $5. Now, the next items I'm going to show y'all real quick. Ladies, if you need some bras, some underwear, some whatever, go here. I got this bra. It was regular price, $44. Y'all know bras are expensive when you got the big girls. I got it for $11. So the next things I'm going to show y'all, or the last things in this haul now, when I got my hair straight like this, baby, I'll be feeling something like a Pocahontas, something bohemian, something whatever. So this day at half off, half all accessories were $1.99. So I got now 1, 2, 3, but 4 headbands from Chum and Charlie's. Now I can tell you one thing, I'm not paying $13 for no headband, but I got them for $2. And when I tell y'all, I wasn't gonna even look in the accessory bin. When I tell y'all, this headband is so cute. And let me show y'all real quick. Babe. This cute, ain't it, y'all? Oh my goodness. Like, I'm just going to keep that on for a minute. So I got this one for $1.99. The next one I got was, all these came from Chum and Charlie. The next one I got was really cute. This green one, that was $1.99. This pearl and pink one, I got an outfit that I'm gonna wear this with, y'all. I'm feeling something like a bohemian princess. This one was $1.99, and the last one I got was this little stud one with little green beads on it. And y'all, when I tell y'all that I love headbands. So yes, y'all, that's my last item that I got from half off half, and I forgot one more item to show y'all from Fashion to Figure. So I found this cute little cardigan on Fashion to Figure. This was the last thing I want to show y'all. It's white. The brand is Say What. It's a 1X, and it is so cute and so soft, and the temperature about 50 degrees today. So I don't want to wear no coat. I think I'm going to wear this, y'all. Oh, it is so comfortable and so cute. Let me show y'all what it look like, how long it is. So as you all can see, this is what I'm rocking today. And I just feel like I don't want to wear no coat. So I'm going to wear my cardigan. So I hope y'all enjoyed my quick spring shopping haul. Again, lookbook coming soon. Let me know which items you all love in this haul. I'm going to tell y'all I love them headbands, because baby, I'm feeling something like a bohemian Pocahontas princess, y'all. But again, let me know if y'all enjoyed this haul. Comment below and let me know what your favorite item is. Let me know what videos you all want to see, what ideas you all want to see me do video-wise. I did see your comments, so what's in my purse is coming soon. What's on my phone is coming soon. And I got some more tag videos coming. But y'all, I got to go to work. Let me ask Google what time it is. Hold up. Hey, Google, what time is it?
8:22.
Ooh, 8:22. Google told me it's 8:22 and it's time for me to leave. But y'all, I thank y'all for watching. Thank you all for supporting. Again, subscribe if you are not subscribed. Join the Nikki Squad. I'm officially back. And to all my supporters and all my YouTube family, if I have not gotten to watch y'all videos, I'm trying to slowly but surely get caught up on everybody's videos. So please don't hold that against me. I love y'all so much. I thank you all for watching. Thank you all for supporting. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, thumbs up, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.